Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and somebody's trying to help me with this, do it a little bit different way. I'm a little bit confused, but while I was trying to figure out what they're talking about, I always forget about this. If you contour this, that 2 inches like we did this morning, there's a slide bar up, not a slide bar, but an offset contour. Well, let's change it to 1 inch. Now you can minutely, instead of having to change this every time, you can minutely move it down by 1/100th of an inch and make it 3/4 of an inch or 1/2 inch. But what you're gonna get those interior contours when you do that. So I think what he is saying is in 2019, let me just close this. Under your windows and dockers, you have a shape docker, and you can apply, and the difference between this shape and your normal shape is you can leave the original or take the original away. So let's just hit apply. And now I'm going to take that new boundary and just move it out of the way. And now I can grab our interior paw and move. You have to break it apart. It's a contour. And a lot of times if you do that, if you haven't got everything selected, go up to Object, break contour apart, grab that interior and move it over. And then you can left click and right click it so it will not cut out. So instead of breaking the curve apart, you can do that with the boundary tool. It's not that big a deal, but having that slide bar, so let's just do that again. If we want to make a offset of 1/2 inch on that square, when we click on it, you get the slide bar and you can minutely change it just a little bit. And the same thing here, you can change all kinds of things and have different steps like you can here. But here you can actually go up and down, which I imagine you could probably go up and down here. But it doesn't change it, it only changes it for the next time. Where this is interactive, where this is gonna change it as you're going to see how far you wanna go or how little bit you wanna go. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.